In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Lightroom Classic. Cropping is one of the most fundamental editing tools used to refine an image's composition, focus on a particular subject, or remove unwanted elements. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you get a perfectly cropped image every time. To start, open Lightroom Classic on your computer and make sure you're in the Develop module. This is where you'll access most of your image editing tools, including the crop feature we're focusing on today. If you're in a different module, simply click on Develop at the top of the screen to switch over. Next, you'll want to select the Crop Overlay tool. You have a couple of ways to do this. You can either click on the crop icon located in the right panel toolbar, which is easy to spot once you're in the Develop module, or, to save some time, you can quickly press the R key on your keyboard. This shortcut is a handy trick to remember as you become more proficient with Lightroom Classic and want to streamline your workflow. Now that you've activated the Crop Overlay tool, you'll see a crop box appear over your image. This box is your primary tool for manipulating the image's dimensions and composition. You can adjust the boundaries of this crop box by dragging the corner or side handles, allowing you to either reduce or expand the visible area of your photograph. Take your time in this step to ensure that the crop aligns with your vision for the image. Consider elements like balance, focus, and aspect ratio, which are crucial in achieving a visually appealing result. Suppose you want to tweak the position of your crop after adjusting its size. In that case, it's as simple as clicking inside the crop box and dragging the image to reposition it. This lets you focus the viewer's attention on specific details and adjust your image's framing without altering the crop box's dimensions. Once you're satisfied with how your cropped image looks, it's time to finalize your changes. You can press Enter on a Windows computer or return on a Mac to apply the crop. Alternatively, a more visual option is to click the Done or Close button located in the crop panel, which will lock in your adjustments. And there you have it, a quick and effective tutorial on cropping an image in Lightroom Classic. With these skills, you can enhance your image's composition effortlessly, creating powerful visuals that capture the viewer's attention. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different crops to see what works best for your photos. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!